Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I want to go over geotagging, okay? Now, if we all, we all do have a Google My Business, and if we don't have one yet, we're working on getting it. And we really want to be making this a focus for 2024, right? That means the reviews, adding pictures, adding our products, and our updates down here, right? So the Google My Business is definitely very important. If we're going to be adding photos to here, we might as well take that next step and geotag these photos as well, right? What geotagging is it gives that photo a location. So if somebody searches for, that area or whatnot, then you have a better chance of popping up. For example, if you geotag everything in a specific community in Chandler, if somebody Googles Chandler, they Google that community, your name has a better chance of popping up and therefore earning more business, right? So basically you're just adding a location, which is then tying it to the internet, right? So I have this website right here. I can send it out to everybody. But basically this is what we want to use to geotag it. Okay, it's super simple. What we're going to do is we're just going to click on this blue box here and we're going to pick whatever we want to geotag, okay? So I'm going to geotag this top 5 picture because I want to add this to my Google My Business. Now, if this was a house or a specific location, then I would, find that exact house on the map. But because this is not what I want to do and what I've been working on with a lot of my pictures is I am geotagging the area that I live in, right? So I want to take it right here and I want to pick, an area. You can get really, really dialed into this if you want, right? Like you could pick, you can get really dialed in. I'm just doing this area because this is where I live and I want this to pop up with all of my pictures. And if I don't have a specific house, then I don't have a specific address, of course. So I'm just going to pick right here, for example, okay? So we're going to move that. But that's where I want to geotag this picture, okay? I'm going to go down here to keywords and tags, and I'm just going to put in some things, right? So I'm going to use a keyword for my name, the domain, law and team, Arizona Realtor, Arizona Real Estate, houses for sale in Arizona, okay? And then what I want to do is I'm going to just go here, copy, I'm going to put it down in the description. I'm going to hit write EXIF tags. What that should do is it should tag the photo, then I'm going to download it, okay? So I'll go ahead and download this picture. And then what I want to do is I want to go to my downloads. This should be it right here. Now this is how you're going to find out. You're going to go to the info button on here, and if it has a GPS with this, you now have a geotag picture, okay? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this. September top 5 GT for geotagged. Exit out of that. And then I'm going to go here. I'm going to add photo. Select the photo. Geotag right here. And we are done. Now that photo is geotagged, right? So if I wanted to do it again, I'm going to add, let's say, October top 5 real quick. Close. I'm going to move it just a little bit over. I copied this. I'm going to repaste these into the keywords in the description. I'm going to write the EXIF tag. I'm going to go ahead and download it. Go to my downloads. This is October. We just want to make sure it worked. It did. So this is going to be October top 5 geotagged. Boom. We're going to go back to our Google My Business. Add the photo. It's going to be October top 5 geotagged. And now we have 2 geotagged pictures, right? So we're getting a little bit closer on my Google My Business, and when people are searching that area where I just geotagged, my name is going to pop up more because of the keywords that I added to it. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.